Good morning, Professor.
Hello there. How nice to see you.
And you, are you engrossed in something again?
I'm always engrossed with an accent on the gross.
So what?
In fact, I should have been a grocer
You should have been a grocer
instead of a professor. What I'm looking at this morning is
Yes.
the Book of Runes.
Oh yes, the Book of Runes.
In England here, we Saxons had an alphabet, and it wasn't a Greek alphabet, alpha, beta, delta, gamma, all the different
Yes.
Greek letters,
Yes.
beginning with A and B, alpha, beta. Our alphabet wasn't called the alphabet, it was actually called the Futhorc.
The Futhorc.
Yes, the Futhorc.
It's
And,
great. What fun.
It's meant to be carved in wood.
Oh.
Our letters
Yeah.
of the Futhorc, this is the first few letters of the Futhorc. So you haven't got A, B, C, D, E, the different Greek letters. You've got the old Saxon letters. Now, can you see this okay?
Yes, I can see.
Does
it
this
fine.
work?
It's fine, with
that
or
okay?
without.
Oh,
That's
righto.
just as fine
Well,
without.
what we've got here then is if you look, it's meant for being carved on wood. This is just a lump of firewood I picked up because I like to keep my hand in and practice the runes.
Of course.
And so what I've got here is the grain of the wood. You can see the grain. There's a couple of knots there.
Yes.
It's just a rough old gash bit of wood I've picked up. But none of the lines of the Futhorc, they're chopped in with a chisel, you can see.
Oh, I see.
You
Yes.
see, this is the letter O, the capital of Odin.
Ah, of course.
Or Woden, it was Wodenaz of the Saxons, but Odin of the Vikings. This is the Ruta, the R rune, and this is the K. It looks like a C, but it's a K. You can see can you just pan around and have a look at Biter's blade here?
Biter. Here he is.
Can you see
Biter.
it? This is my Scrammer Sax Biter.
Yes.
And what we've got here is B-I-T. That's the Tiwaz rune, the T rune. It looks like an arrow. It's meant to be Thor's or Thor, the god of war, Thor's throwing hammer.
Of course.
And there's that R again rune. And this is not a letter M. It's not a M. It's an Eta. This is an E rune. And then there's a combination rune there, the rune of power and protection for warriors. So this is the runes carved into wood. None of the lines go with the grain. The reason for that is that bits of the grain can chip out and it might be mistaken, for a part of another letter, you see.
Oh.
So the E rune looks like a letter M. I'll chop one out for you.
Oh, yes, please. Then
So
we can
this is
see how it works.
it's ever so simple to do. If you chop out an E rune, it's so there. Oh, there's an E rune. There's an E rune there. You see.
Oh, I see. It's just all straight lines, of course.
Yes, it's all straight lines, just done with a chisel, but
Yes.
none of them go with the grain. They all cross the grain one way or another. The T rune, Tiwaz, the T rune is another one, the warrior's rune of power. So we'll lengthen that a little bit, and then you just put that on like that, and like that.
It's amazingly simple
It
when
is simple.
you know.
Broad arrow, you see. You could, I suppose, rub some soot into it,
Yes,
to make it a bit darker.
Make it stand out, yes.
And but
That's really good,
empty.
Professor.
No, ET. Extraterrestrial.
No.
Et. That's French for as well as. Also. But we mess about with languages. We time travellers mess about with languages. So the runes are very special.
Yes.
Not only Are they a way of recording things? I don't know. You could drill a hole through a piece of wood and chop runes on it. Just cut them on with a knife.
Yes.
And you could record your name on a sack of corn or something.
Of course,
you know.
yes.
But also they had a magical use. I've got my bag of runes here.
Ooh.
And you can put your hand in and your fingers will be guided to a rune. And there's my rune. And this
It's
rune...
like a birdie's claw.
It is a bit like a birdie's claw. Well, all the runes have different... Let me just tip these out into this bowl and you can see them. These are runes that are written on pieces of clay. They've been pushed into pieces of clay. There's that one again, you can see.
Oh, of course. The K.
But, yeah, K-note. But all of these different runes have different meanings. So this is what the Book of the Runes is all about, actually, and why you need one, in fact, because it's a way of foretelling the future. The self, Manaz, you see, there's Manaz. I saw Manaz a little while ago. Where have you gone? We always get our Manaz. No, we don't today. There's Tiwaz, you see. And now Manaz is, the starting point is the self, its essence is water, and so it goes on. You can foretell the future with the runes.
Oh, fantastic.
Have fun with history.
Oh,
Just a minute, I'll do the thorn. Have I got a minute just to do the
Just
thorn?
to do the thorn.
There's a thorn. You can see there's a thorn there. Can you see the thorn?
Yes.
And there it is there. Just there, can you see the TH?
Yes.
That is the letter of the thorn, which means TH. So the.
So
you could
that is quite difficult for people to learn, actually, who learn English.
Is it?
The
Well, you do
apparently
just
it's
like
quite
this.
difficult.
It's a very simple thing to chop. There it is, the thorn. And but that's TH. Sometimes it was written as a letter Y and we say ye oldie. But in fact, it wasn't a Y, it was a TH, THE, not YE. It was a short way, a bit of shorthand. Have fun with history.
Lovely. Thank
Have
you.
fun with your runes, England.
Oh, we will.
Bye for now. Bye.